In this video, I want to talk about a very important couple of concepts that actually get quite overlooked by first-time entrepreneurs, and this is customer support and product quality. They should be your marketing strength. If they are as good as they need to be, you're going to get fantastic online reviews, which is going to help you rank better. It's going to help you get more sales. You're going to get also those customers referring their friends to your business, which means they'll be promoting for you, and you'll get repeat purchases from the same customers who are thrilled about your service or business. So you win in these three amazing ways with good product, amazing customer service. Now, how do you do that? You always have to be pleasant and helpful at every interaction, even when people might voice something they dislike. Very often, someone dislike something, they voice it in a slightly harsh way, you can react negatively, but if you act professionally and helpful and reverse their situation, you can turn an unhappy customer to a happy repeat buyer, or a 1-star review to a 5-star review, just with care and professionalism. And also what helps is to be proactive. You can offer your time, you can when people buy your service or product, include materials on explaining how they can reach you, make it easy for them, and when they do reach you, make it good and pleasant for them and very helpful. You can also offer freebies. For example, even if they buy something, you can always throw things in for free. Extra little things go a long way. And if you've done something wrong, then definitely make things up by giving something for free to people who are unhappy in an effort to make them happier. I do this all the time. Like in my courses, I host free office hours. I do extra stuff on my Facebook. Sometimes I do extra things. I spend more time with people who are my clients. I give them more, I just throw stuff in. All the time I'm thinking how to make their experience better. But all the time, their experience will be better if your product or service is actually very good, because that's what they're in the first place. So don't confuse these two. And your goal is to make people thrilled. Only the people who are absolutely out of their mind thrilled are going to be the ones who refer people, who buy again, who leave great reviews. People who just like your service a little bit, they're not going to really act on anything. They're just going to be on ignore mode. They're going to forget about it. They're going to go back to their daily lives. They're going to get busy and neglect you. But people who are absolutely thrilled, those are the ones who you'll turn into like secondary marketers for you. And those are the people that you want to foster.